screw this Sejuani person.
I won't be denied.
Forget that. I love how Slade is always first pick, and he's always gonna first pick Lux.
With heal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
What do you mean? I got barrier.
There's no barrier this game.
Y'all don't understand my strats.
No one knows your strats.
Alright, well, I'm so hungry right now.
I don't even know my strats.
Mom!
Stop yelling.
Mom! I want one of those. Come on. What? Yeah, you didn't get me. I asked you for half a burger.
It's chilly there.
Oh yeah. Because you don't want no smoke. You don't want no smoke.
I don't want no smoke.
Yeah, you don't want no smoke.
How dare you talk to my mother like that?
You don't want no smoke.
How dare you talk to my mother like
You
that?
don't want no fucking smoke.
Listen here.
What you're saying is you're like, oh, you threw it last time. I said it, Mom. Last time you said, do you want a Big Mac or a quarter pounder? I said, doesn't matter. And you said, okay, fine. I'll cut it in half. You can have half quarter pounder, half Big Mac. And I was like, perfect. Perfect. What do I get? You cut 3/4 of the Big Mac, 3/4 of the quarter pounder, and then complain that I don't eat it all. I didn't ask for a burger and a half. I asked for one burger.
You sound
Not called you're a bird and you eat like a fucking dish of fucking seeds every day.
You sound like one of those kids, Lee.
What?
They yell at their mom.
I am.
Oh yes, I can't wait to gink Slade and take the kill because he's not gonna want to fight.
No, don't worry. What about yourself?
I can't. I'm jungler. You sound like you're having a good time.
2 hours later.
Lee, you're ruining my music. You're so inconsiderate.
Turn me down or turn that up. Problem solver. So you're supposed to be a problem solver. You know, sometimes
No, I don't.
I say some pretty dumb shit to my dad. My dad will look at me like I'm the dumbest person on the planet.
Yes.
And I have to explain to him that there are dumber people out there. I'm like, Dad, you don't believe it because you just go to work and you come home and you see people every day. I was like, I'm actually like very far ahead mentally than a lot of people. And then he's like, I find it hard to believe.
That's messed up.
I was like, I know, but like the fact that you think that is scary because of the people I know that are outside.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
that means he has faith in this world still.
yeah, that's what I'm like, Dad, like, you don't know who's out there. I'm like, you think I'm bad? I'm like, I'm a fucking saint compared to what's out there. Like, I'm like literally...
Zerok can change direction as he charges? Okay.
Yes.
Very good to know.
Nah. After Lee started coughing, Jesus.
Yeah.
So what?
I like to do full bot side with Warwick.
This Lisa's pissing me off, dog.
Aww. He still doesn't have blue. Hello. This is my blue now. Oh, god damn it. He died already.
Red.
Come on.
Are you sure about that?
I listen. Like, why are you doing this to yourself?
Zerok is coming to you.
Can you Q? Yeah. Oh! Fuck it.
Got him. I need help.
Okay, I'm coming. You better run. I said run, don't walk back. Slade! So, a wise Zerath player once told me that try to stay away from your minions so that Zerath has to choose between...
Oh, true.
Or
yeah.
No! Hey, I still got it. Let's go. Oh, hey, Ash. What's up? Bitch, you don't want this problem.
Yo, Zerath.
Alright, you better... Oh, okay, thank you. I'm about to say, if you can stop... I'm coming.
Oh, yeah, this guy's level 7 Jinx. Mastery. Okay.
Yo,
I just saw Jinx
Lisa,
get an assist.
back the fuck up.
Close.
It's missing again.
I'm so fed. Gotta take some health and then get the fuck out of here. Oh, pull him, pull him, pull him. Oh, you're trash though. No, we're not.
Ah, shit.
Technically, me and Jinx are supposed to go mid or something.
Oh, that sucks.
I thought they were going in on me.
Didn't die.
Listen, man, you need to understand, Lisa, that this farm is mine, bro. Like, nothing in your jungle is yours
This is
anymore.
my jungle now.
Yes, like, holy
now have
shit. Bleak, bleak, bleak.
Oh.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, right into him. I'm alive. Oh, you're a goddess among men. Oh,
No,
please.
I'm just kidding.
You died a very honorable death.
No shot, boy.
Yo, can we collapse on Nautilus?
I'm fucking leaving because I have no health.
I'm fucking leaving.
Okay, now I have health. I'm coming back. 1 Q. 2 Qs later. Oh my god, I'm full fucking health. Alright, let's go. Hey, Nautilus. Where you going? Hey. 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 Where you going? Hey. 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 Hey.
Oh, wow.
Hey. You wanted me. You said you wanted me. But you wanted me. You wanted me, right? Okay, I think I should back.
Lee Sin's mid. Zero.
Oh. Mordekaiser. Alright, I'm gonna leave this Drake.
You got 4 main ganked.
Gained in their jungle?
Yeah.
That's not what that is.
Yeah.
You can only go into their jungle if you know their jungler is on like the other side of the map. If you see them like,
Woo! Where you going? You weren't going that way, were you? Oh, we stun him. Oh yeah, give me that fear. My kill. Let's go get some more.
Mobies activate.
I don't have that. Mina have that. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. And then I'm gonna go get Rift.
He's in there.
Slade, I'm scared for your life right now.
I know.
If I was that there, that would have fucked your shit up right there. Oh my god.
Do you remember our song in high school?
We had plenty.
I know, but this one by the Black Eyed Peas.
You know what I remember in high school? I remember just taking MW2 with Lee. Physics.
No, I don't.
Really?
Oh, I hate when that happens. Right
least said,
at
dude.
the borderline is where I'm gonna wait.
For you.
I'll be looking out. Yeah, we should, Darren. We should, Darren. Yeah. Ow. Ow. Ah! Ah! I juked so much. Oh, you had him. You see why I'm still gonna get blue? He's on the way to bot lane. That's why.
Was.
Fuck, I missed. And he still flashed. Oh, and Lee hits those? Oh, I'm gonna try and get away from everybody so that I don't knock everybody up. Alright, let's get out of there. Wait, Slade, why you top? Come here, dude.
Sorry.
You're literally in their base. Like, they have 1 turret left.
I'm almost dead.
You have ult. Whoa. See, friend? Hello. Totally do. First one of the day. Feeling good. Feeling great.
Nice, nice, nice.
Feeling good. Feeling great. Oh man. Oh.
Okay, I gotta go
Stretch.
get my. I gotta go make lunch and I gotta pack my car. I'm gonna go shooting.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'll see you later.
Later, Brody.